Hello everybody! Got another unboxing, and this time is something I didn't expect to come in. Ordered this on the 3rd from eBay. This is got this really cheap. It's for my HGU-55. Something I've been wanting for a while. Paid $39 for. And these are usually $75 on Flighthelmet.com. Of course I got, well, at least it's not styrofoam peanuts, it's shredded paper. Alright, you gotta take a bit. There's a lot of paper in here. You probably got it taped. Alright. Crap. Alright. Holy crap. This is a this is a fitted liner for the HGU-55. Okay, fine, I got it on. Runs in 2 pieces. Front, or back and front. When you go and put them in, you go like that till they come together. Like that. All I need to get for, I got one thing to get, well, a couple things to get for that 55. One is the ear pads in, this color, and then a blackened J hook for the communications cord. And then that'll finish off that helmet once I put the 4707 cord in. So yeah, hold on. It's for this helmet. To replace that foam liner I got in there. But it'll be nice when it's done, because then at least I'll have a completed HGU-55 when I finish that, I'll put it on for you guys in a future video. But yeah, it was all together with the price, $39. The shipping was $16 something. I think all in all I paid over around $70, I think. Let's see. 50. It was around $70 at least. But that's still cheaper than Flighthelmet. They had those there, those particular ones for, say, $75. And then you're talking a lot of shipping too, so yeah, if I'm going to go buy something from there, I'll buy quite a few things, and then because if they all fit in the same box, at least you're not paying shipping for each piece. So you're actually saving a bit of money there that way. But if you could find stuff like this for cheaper than what you could find out elsewhere, get them. Because these are, you know, eventually these are going to be hard to find. But at least I'll have a completed helmet. But I still got to get at least one more liner for my other helmet. That'll be the black one. The liner, ear pads. Yeah, because I still have to get the edge roll on that. If I could, it'd be nicer if I could find that darn cord, but I could set the helmet up in a way that I could get the everything, the HGU-26, set that up so I could get everything out, and then get the cord out and put the basically like a data cable in for the HGU-2 visor. You know, just set it up that way. But yeah, that's actually it for this unboxing. I'll see you guys again next time. And if you like this, hit like and don't forget to subscribe too, because I could always use the subscribers. Every little bit helps. So thank you guys, and see you next time. And actually the next time is going to be a couple of model unboxings, because I got 2 models coming in tomorrow. So see you guys next time, and thank you and bye.